And
What was the show about?
me having two husbands.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and of course share this video. So you guys, Gogo Skhotheni finally revealed something that most of us have always been suspicious about. So she went to podcast and chill with McG, and she revealed that she made up a storyline of her being in a relationship with two men for clout and views, you guys. Now remember the reality show that was aired on Mojo Love that Gogo Skhotheni was a part of. She revealed that she did not have a storyline and was desperate for cash. So she came up with this storyline that her ancestors wanted her to have two husbands. So she revealed that the storyline had angered so many people on social media and across the country because they actually believed that she was in a relationship with two men, you guys. So she said her husband Umonde would get calls from men who are Izinkabi from rural KZN who would offer their services in deleting the alleged second husband, you guys. She also stated that she truly regretted taking that decision and basically embarrassing herself and her husband for clout and money, you guys. Well, there you have it, guys. Please do share with me what your thoughts are in the comment section. Also like, share, subscribe, follow the page if you haven't yet done so, guys. I will definitely see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.